Welcome back to Four Faces. I just got back from the gym, and I just want to say something real quick. I know you've probably seen that those TikTok challenges called Cough, the song called Cough. And
she loves
it was hot. The song is really hot. I mean, it's really hot. I can't pronounce his name, really bad names. I'll leave that up here so you can see it for yourself. But I was looking through all the TikTok videos, and it was like quite a bit. I was just going through video after video, looking at the TikTok challenges, and I came across this one group, this one team, I should say, and they just blew my mind. I was like, wow, the dance steps really nice. I like the magic was there, the chemistry was there. They just seemed to do really a fantastic job, really a fantastic job. And I seen another young lady as well doing a dance on the train. I thought that was really bold of her to do that, and I'll show you that one as well. I thought she did a fantastic job too. But with that being said, there's a couple. I think I don't know if they're a couple or they're a team, brothers and sisters, I really don't know. But I'll let you see for the video itself, and I'm pretty sure maybe you've seen it, but I just want to say they did such a fantastic job. And I'm not a rich guy, but you know what? Listen, I want to give them $100. I really do. I want to give them $100. That's just straight, real honesty. And listen, and it's not about the money. I know $100 is not a lot. I got that. But it's really about thank you. It's really a thank you. Because you know what? When you see these TikTok challenges and you see these things going on, not so much just TikTok or Facebook or any of that, when you see these challenges, it brings a certain goodness to you. It makes you feel good. It really, at least for me, it makes me feel good. It's good to see people happy. It's good to see people enjoying themselves, trying to do something different, trying to be adventurous, just enjoying life. And I think, you know what? I'm not a rich guy, but you know what? You don't have to be rich to show appreciation. I mean, just think about that. I mean, like money is not gonna. I know $100 to these people is probably nothing, but I just want to say thank you. So that's all. It's just like thank you, and I just thought they did a fantastic job. So if they can, they could leave an inbox if you know them. Let them know. Leave a message, whatever it may be, any way that I could contact you. I'll send it out. I don't care however you want it, cash, check, whatever it may be, is irrelevant. I just want to say thank you to all. And I looked at a lot of them. I looked at a lot of videos. I do want to put that out there. And I'll tell you, it was sometimes very challenging to even come up with one, but a winner, I should say. But I want to say, man, I just love all the energy that everybody put through in that and making those different challenges, those different videos, man. It was astonishing. I seen kids doing the dance. I seen grown-ups doing the dance. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just Google Cough challenge and they'll come up, right? Cough challenge, and it was really fantastic. Before I go, I just want to say one more thing. I just wish that life was like that all the time. Life was like a point where we always can just have a good time, where we could all just celebrate life and go through the motions of life, and we not, it's no racism, it's no prejudice. I mean, I've seen people from all over the world doing this dance, man, literally doing the dance, man. And I was so impressed. I mean, it didn't matter where they was from. I mean, different countries, different colors. I mean, it was like everybody was just doing the challenge, and they was doing it. They was smiling. They was happy. They was doing it with brothers and sisters. I seen kids doing it, different parts of the world, in Africa and Europe, and it was really fantastic. We need to take a step back sometime. I mean, really, just think about this. We need to take a step back. We got to stop all this hatred and animosity and all the stuff that really don't move you forward in life. These things don't move you forward in life. Hatred and anger and frustration, they don't move you forward in life. What they do is they hinder you. They hinder you from your greatness. They hinder you from your possibilities. That's what it does. So yes, I'm saying thank you. That's all it is. It's a thank you. It's so welcome to see something like that. And I just hope that there's more challenges in the future. And trust me, I'm going to be looking at all of them because I really, it's very humbling to see that. No, I look at it as, you know what? Thank you for doing the dance for us. Thank you. Just thank you. Thank you. This is Four Faces. You know what? We'll talk.
To flex my love, I want to impress, and I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. I'm a man, I want to impress, and I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. Die woo, oh die woo, yeah, oh die woo, die woo, oh die woo, yeah, oh die woo, die woo, oh die woo, yeah. My body calling and your body picking.